If you are looking for an effective routine to repair your frizzy damaged hair, then you have come to the right place. आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी my tried and tested hair care routine with affordable products that actually works. Let's start with hair oiling. I like to brush my hair with a wooden brush. It will helps you to detangle your hair and get the blood flow going. It's very important to brush your hair before oiling, and I would recommend use wooden comb. It's very good for scalp. I always take at least 5 minutes to brush my hair before oiling. Now I'm going to apply my homemade hair oil. I made this at home. It's very effective hair oil. If you want to know how I made this, do let me know in the comment section. I will make a dedicated video for this. So late I realized that hair oiling is so important for everybody, especially if you have dry, damaged and frizzy hair. You need to apply evenly on your scalp, and if you have dry ends, do apply on your ends as well. Once I'm done with application, I always like to massage my scalp with my hands. It's so satisfying. I also use Garnier scalp massager. It helps to exfoliate and stimulate scalps. I do this at least for 4 to 5 minutes. You can exceed this if you want because it's so addictive. अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज है देन आई वुड recommend wear a heat cap for at least 20 minutes which allow oil to penetrate deeper in the scalp. अगर आपके पास heat cap नहीं है, just apply a plastic bag and blow dry your hair. It will work same like heat cap. I don't have heat cap, so I'm not wearing one. I'm going to keep oil in the hair for at least 1 hour. Next step is hair wash. I like to keep water little warm. It helps shampoo to lather easily and remove all the oil easily. I really love this L'Oreal Total Repair shampoo. I have been using it for a year now. This is perfect if you have oily scalp. Though I have tried so many shampoos. Wait, expensive shampoos, but nothing worked like L'Oreal. I really want to try their different shampoos like L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure. That one is specially for oily scalp. If you have super sensitive scalp, I highly recommend CeraVe shampoo and conditioner. It's great for sensitive scalp. Then I use L'Oreal Total Repair Restoring Conditioner. It really helps to treat damaged hair. I use this once in a week because when I'm not using this, I use a different product which I'm going to tell you in the video. I apply it only on length and ends, keeping it for at least 2 minutes, then wash it up. This is the product I was talking about, guys. Once you start using this, there is no going back. This is Dove hair mask and it smells heavenly. This is the best addition of affordable products. Just go and shop this product. You're going to thank me later for this recommendation. It's super lightweight yet packed with hydration. It makes my hair really soft. High-end quality product you can get in affordable price. Believe me, I apply this on my ends, even sometime on my upper hair, and I leave it for at least 4 to 5 minutes and then I rinse it off. Wrap your hair with microfiber towel and leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This is also my most favorite product from hair care category. This is L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is a product, when you start using this, guys, there is also no going back. This is a very good product. It gives you that shine. I really love the smell of this product. It will be there even if your hair is dry. If you want to invest in serum, especially hair serum, go with L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is the best product. अगर मुझे तुरंत कोई शूट करना है इंस्टाग्राम के लिए या यूट्यूब के लिए तो मैं यूज़ करती हूँ ये विंस्टन का हेयर ब्लो ब्रश। दो मैंने हेयर में अपने ट्रीटमेंट करा हुआ है नैनोप्लास्टिया, बट ये ब्रश से मुझे बहुत अच्छा हेल्प मिलता है, थोड़ा सा कर्व मिल जाता है मेरे बालों को। एंड उसके बाद ये और एक ब्रश है जिसको मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, ये भी बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रश है। इसका नाम मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता रही हूँ। अगर आपको ये ब्रश का जानना है तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ। मैं ये ब्रश पे स्पेशली एक वीडियो बनाना चाहती हूँ बहुत टाइम से। In the end, I use this serum again, that extraordinary oil serum, and yeah, I'm done. You can see my hair. If you love this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section आपको अभी कौन सी वीडियो चाहिए, लाइक हेयर केयर, बॉडी केयर, स्किन केयर और मेकअप के प्रोडक्ट्स। वट एवर यू से आई विल लिसन, एंड please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.